between the two
Start.
points.
3, 2, 1, start.
So find out the distance between 2 points. This is one point, this is another point. So how can we solve it? By, okay. So solution, let P x1 comma y1. The point is given 2 comma 3, and you have taken a Q point, that is x2 comma y2. The point is 4 comma 3. Okay. The distance between 2 points, the distance between 2 points, that is PQ. Okay. PQ mod is there. The formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and the square root. Okay. What is the value of x2? That is 4. 4 minus, that is 2 square, plus that is 3 minus 3 square, that is 3 minus 3 0, or 4 minus 2, that is 2, that is 2 square, that is 0 square, that is 4, that is 2. Okay. The answer is 2 unit. Okay. So in this way, find the distance between 2 points. If the given 2 points, one and another point, to find the formula, put the formula, get the answer. So you have to easy method, that is a shortcut method. That's a very shortcut method. Yes. This is very shortcut method. Okay. The shortcut method what? That is this is a x1, this is a y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. So in case of method, that is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay. x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 whole square, plus 3 minus 3 whole square upon square root. Okay. That is 4 minus 2, that is 2 square, plus 0 square root, that is 4, that is 2. Within 2 seconds or 3 seconds, we can get the result. Okay. Thank you.
Ready.
So find out equidistance from the P to R and P to S. Okay. So equidistance is the distance between from P to R and P to S often. Okay. Suppose this is a P point, this is the R point, this is the S point. Okay. So in this case, what will do? Equidistance, equal distance. That means the distance between P to R same and P to S is equal. That means the distance in P to R is 5 and P to S is a distance will be 5. The same distance, that equidistance is same distance. Suppose this is a Hari boy, this is a Hari, this is a Gopal, this is a Arya. Okay. The 3 students is there. So the Hari is telling that the distance between from myself to is Gopal, the distance is 5, and from Hari, the distance from Aryan is 5. That is equidistance. That equidistance is equal distance. Equal distance will maintain from Hari to Gopal, and Hari to Aryan is distance will be maintained same. That is called equal distance. So in this type of problem, we have to solve it. Again, a question and to solve it. Okay. Find equidistance from P to R and P to S. Okay. Suppose this is given the coordinate point. Suppose the given the coordinate points 2, 3, and the P, okay, and R the coordinate point is given. Question is given, that is 4, 1, and S the coordinate point, that is 3, 1. Okay. So question is telling that, or asked to be, what is the distance between from P to R and P to S. Okay. So in this case, what will you do? First of all, if you lengthy method, that what will do? First, write the solutions. Take the let P x1 y1, that is the coordinate point 2, 3, and R the coordinate point that is taking as x2 y2, that is 2, 4, 1, and S is the coordinate point that is taking as x3, y3, that is 3, 1. Okay. So in case that means the PR, that is a P is a point is there. The distance from P to R and distance from P to S is equal. So applying the distance formula, that is PR square is equal to PS square. Okay. So applying a formula, this is a x2 y2 point, this is x1 y1 point, this is x3 y3 point. That means the x2 minus x1, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus this is equal to, that is x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So the put in the value, you have to calculate it. The length will be PR is, suppose this is 5 and this will be 5. That is way it will prove that the distance from P to R and distance from PS is equal. That's it. From the equidistance from this point, you have to calculate it. So in this question, some questions arise as that. Suppose the P point is given A. Okay, the P point is given A. Okay, and the R is the coordinate point 4, 1, and the S is given the 3, 1. What is the distance between from P to R and PS, and find the value of A. Find the value of A. Okay. So in this case, what will do? Same things, same problems. We have to put only change this A, comma. Okay. So put the formula. Okay. Then we have to find the A value. Okay. So that's why that is 4 minus A rho square, that is 1 minus 3 rho square is equal to, that is x3, that is 3 minus A rho square plus 1 minus 3 rho square. Okay, then I have to put this is A minus B rho square. Okay, let's say you have to apply the formula A minus B rho. That 4 minus A means that is a 4 square, that is 16, A square, that is A square, minus 8A. Okay, that is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square, that is 4, is equal to 3 minus A, this is A minus B whole square, that is 3 square 9, A square, minus 6A, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square, that is 4. Okay, implies. Okay, so this A square cancel. Okay, the 8A is 8, this minus 6A will be taking left side, minus 8A plus 6A, that is 16 will be 16 plus 4, that 20. I have to take the right side, that is minus 20 plus 9 plus 4, that is 13. Okay, that is minus 2A, that is this is 2A result is equal to minus 7. A value is, that is 7 by 2. Okay, the distance of the value is the value is what the coordinate point, that is a x coordinate point 7 by 2, and this is find the distance with equidistance from 1.2 R and 1.2 S. So it will be same length is there. So thank you.